Hello my friends, it's 19th of December today and I'm going to open my box with number 19 on it. I wonder what it's going to be. Please like and subscribe and let's have a look what's in it. Right, boxes. There's not much left, but it looks like the most interesting stuff is left here now. This is number 19. I'm just looking what we have yet. Wonder what's in there. Is it a notebook maybe? Don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Alright. Number 19. Some sort of box. Box in a box. Alright, tin. Embroidery kit. I like to do embroidery. And it's such a lovely tin. Wow, look at that. Usually in these tins you get some biscuits. But this tin is actually made for embroidery things. Very nice. There's some nice, looks like some nice stuff in it. Nice threads, designs. Let's have a look. Little circle. Oh, look at that. Little wooden hoop. Proper hoop. Oh, there we go. Very nice. Nice little hoop. Mini blooms embroidery notions. Let's have a look. Can I open it nicely? There we go. Alright, so we have 2 needles and a needle threader. Very nice. Instruction cards. Look how nice, how cute is this? Different stitches. There's just little things. Instructions, how to do different stitches. That's really cute. And this, let's see, what does this say? Peel and stitch wash away sheets. Oh, alright. If they wash away, I need to be very careful with them so I don't spill anything, because if they wash away, they will dissolve very quickly. I'm so looking forward to do something with these. I love little embroidery things and nice threads, like a cotton pearl thread. They don't have any maker marks here or labels, so it doesn't really matter. They look quite nice. Cool. So when I make something out of these, I will let you know, and of course I will show you. So like and subscribe if you want to see what I had done with all this. And I love the tin. I love the tin. Pretty all of, I think all of us love nice tins, don't we? Sometimes we buy biscuits just because of nice tins. Let me know if you do that, if you are just like me. Alright. Well, that was a very nice kit today for number 19. Number 19. 19th day of the countdown. Alright guys, I will see you tomorrow when it's going to be 20th of December, and I will look forward to see what we have in the next box. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!